Jai Sriman
Dasharatha got to see his sons Rama and Lakshmana. They all felt very happy. And Janaka Maharaju, after requesting his Acharya Satananda to make arrangements to get his brother Kusadhvaja, then Janaka says to Dasharatha, "O Raja, let us all now disperse. Tomorrow morning let us meet together and start making arrangements for Kalyanam." Then everybody left. Next day morning everybody came together. Then Dasharatha Maharaju saying, "O Janaka, my Acharya Vasishtha Maharshi, with the permission of Vishwamitra Maharshi, is going to describe entire of my Ikshvaku dynasty, and he will take all my ancestors' names and he will explain you the purity, sanctity which is maintained in our dynasty." Then Vasishtha Maharshi has taken permission from Vishwamitra Maharshi and addressing, "O Janaka, the first very root person of Ikshvaku Vamsam is Brahma. Brahma's son is Maricha. Maricha's son Kasyapa. Kasyapa's son Vivasvanta. Vivasvanta's son Manuvu. Manuvu's son Ikshvaku. Ikshvaku's son Kukshi. Kukshi's son Vikukshi. Vikukshi's son Bana. Bana's son Anaranya. Anaranya's son Prudhuvu. Prudhuvu's son Trisankuvu. Trisankuvu's son Yuvanasva. Yuvanasva's son Mandhata. Mandhata's son Susandhi. Susandhi has two sons, Dhruvasandhi, Prasenajit. In that, Dhruvasandhi's son Bharata. Bharata's son Asita. Asita's son Sagara. Sagara's son Asamanja. Asamanja's son Amsuman. Amsuman's son Dilipa. Dilipa's son Bhagiratha. Bhagiratha's son Kakutsa. Kakutsa's son Raghuvu. Raghuvu's son Pravruddha. Pravruddha's son Senkhana. Senkhana's son Sudarsana. Sudarsana's son Agnivarna. Agnivarna's son Sigraga. Sigraga's son Maruvu. Maruvu's son Prasusruka. Prasusruka's son Ambarisha. Ambarisha's son Nahusha. Nahusha's son Yayati. Yayati's son Nabhaga. Nabhaga's son Aja. Aja's son Dasaratha. Dasaratha's sons are these Rama and Lakshmana. O Janaka, we are begging, requesting you to give your two daughters for Rama and Lakshmana. Rama Lakshmanayoho ardhe tvatsute varaye nrupa. Like this, Vasishtha Maharshi presents request of Ikshvaku Vamsam to Janaka Maharaju. With meditation upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, let us do Sri Rama Nama Smarana. Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. you will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.